Hi, my dear listeners. Our topic today is rounding decimals. Rounding numbers makes them easy to use and understand while also keeping the number close to its original. So rounding a decimal number is exactly like rounding a whole number. And firstly, I want to talk about a decimal number. First of all, let's look at the place value of decimal numbers. Place value before the decimal point start with ones, followed by tens and hundreds and thousands and so on. For example, let's write here one decimal number. 23.156. This is a decimal number, and this decimal number consists of two parts, whole number part and decimal number part. So we already have learned how to read and identify the whole number's place value. So this 3 is in the ones place, and this 3 just represents 3 itself, and 2 is in the tens place, and it represents 20. And let's find out how to determine place value in the decimal part of the number. So in this example, the number composed of 1/10, tens, 500s, and 6,000s. So this can be expressed as like this. Let's write here the decimal part of a number, 0.156. This is a decimal part of this number, and this number equals 0.1 plus 0.05 and plus 0.006. In other terms, this decimal part, 0.156 equals 1/10, because this 1 is tens place, plus 5/100, because 5 is in the hundreds place, and plus 6/1000, because 6 is in the thousands place. Let's look at one more example. So in this example, we are asked for right place value of the digits 3 and 5 in the number. So there is a decimal number. So the steps to solve this problem is as follows. Firstly, write the number in a decimal place value chart. And secondly, look at the digit place and find its place value, like this. Now here is our table. We will use this table to solve this problem. So there is decimal point. I will write here decimal point, and in the ones place, I will write here 6, and tens place 3, and thousand place 8. And this after decimal point comes decimal number part. So I will write here 5, because tens place and hundreds place 7 and thousand place 1. So the digit 3 is in the tens place. So therefore its place value is 30, and the digit 5 is in the tens place. Therefore its place value 0.5, and its place value 30. Let's return to our main topic, how to round decimal number. Firstly, we will locate the place value that is to be rounded, and then we look at the number directly to the right. If the digit to the right of the underlying digit is 5 or more, we will increase the underlying digit by 1. We will round up. But if the digit to the right of the underlying digit is less than 5, we will leave the underlying digit as it is, and we will just round down. And finally, we will drop all the digits to the right of the underlying digit. For example, I write here 112.346. So we have to round this decimal number nearest integer. Firstly, I will underline 2, because the integer part, whole part of this number is 112, and the integer part ends with 2. 2 is in the ones place, and the digit to the right of the underlying digit comes 3, and 3 less than 5. So I will keep 2 as it is and drop all digits to the right. So if I have to round this number to the nearest integer, I get just 112. Let's look at one more example. This time I have to round this number to the nearest hundreds. So I have underlined 4 because the digit in the hundreds place is 4, and the digit to the right of the underlying digit is more than 5 because 6 is more than 5. So I have round up, and therefore I get 112.35. If I have to round this number to the nearest hundreds, I get 112.35.